In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the area of non-right triangles. So none of our angles are going to be 90 degrees. All right, and there's three ways to do it. Remember, we have an angle, side, side, and then side, side, side. In this video, we're going to be talking about the top one there, which is angle, side, angle. And below this, you'll notice that it says we have two angles and the included side. Okay, so for example, if the two angles that I was given was like A and B, I would have to have the included side C, the one in between those. That's what included means. And then if I have those three things, then I have enough information to find its area. All right, so let's try a couple examples. All right, so I moved my triangle over here, but it's the same format. And like I said, we're going to be given kind of two angles here, in this case, angle A and angle B, as well as that included side, side C. Okay, now depending on which angle you're given, the formulas, we have three of them, but really they're just the same thing, kind of depending on how your picture is oriented and which angles and side you're given. All right, in this case though, since I'm given side C, I'm going to go to where I have the little c, and each of these follow the general form. All right, you're going to have an A, a B, and a C on the top. All right, two angles, and then whatever two angles there are, it's going to be the side that is not one of those angles over sine of that same side. So this was sine of C on the bottom. I use lowercase c there. So I'm using this bottom one because I have little c. Let's see if we can put in our numbers into that formula and see if it works. All right, you will need a calculator. Make sure it's in degree mode, otherwise you will get a different answer. All right, so for mine, I'm going to have k. I don't know why they use K for the angles or for the area, but kind of traditionally they use K for non-right triangles. Anyway, K equals 1/2 times little c, which we know is 10, and that's going to be squared, times sine of capital A, which is 62, times sine of capital B, which is 71. All right, and then this is over sine of big C. Now, do I know big C? Well, yes, I do. I can take 180, right, and subtract the other two that I have, and that's going to give me my third angle that I'm missing. So minus 62 and minus 71 from 180. Minus 62, minus 71, giving me 47. So C, capital C, is 47 degrees. And we also have those other two as well. Those all add up now to be 180 degrees. So sine of 47. Then it's just a matter of typing this into the calculator, and it's going to spit out our area to us. All right, so let's do that here. I'm going to type this in real quick for you. All right, so you'll notice I did a couple things there. One, I just typed in the entire top in the calculator and hit enter, and then I went ahead and divided by sine of 47, right? With those parentheses and things, it's a little bit easy to get off. And so if you want to be careful, just do the whole top and then divide that by your bottom one there. Now this gives me an answer of 57.1, and depending on whatever C was, let's say it was 10 feet, since we're talking area, this is going to be 57.1 square feet. Okay, so it'd be your answer like that, or inches, it'd be square inches, whatever you have. All right, so that is the area of a non-right triangle when you're given two angles and the included side.